1. You should not start across an intersection if you know you will block the intersection when the light turns red. Option A. Under any circumstances. Option B. Unless you entered the intersection on a yellow light. Option C. Unless you entered the intersection on a green light. The correct answer is Option A. Under any circumstances. Question 2. You want to pass a bicyclist riding on the right edge of your lane. You. Option A. Must honk your horn before passing the bicyclist. Option B. Must not squeeze past the bicyclist. Option C. May not pass the bicyclist for any reason. The correct answer is Option B. Must not squeeze past the bicyclist. Question 3. A police officer is signaling you to continue driving through a red traffic light. What should you do? Option A. Stop first. Then do what the officer tells you. Option B. Wait for the green light. Option C. Do as the officer tells you. The correct answer is Option C. Do as the officer tells you. Question 4. Which of these statements about drugs and driving is true? Option A. Any prescription drug is safe to use if you don't feel drowsy. Option B. Even over-the-counter drugs can impair your driving. Option C. Only illegal drugs can impair your driving. The correct answer is Option B. Even over-the-counter drugs can impair your driving. Question 5. You must use your seatbelt. Option A. Unless you are riding in a vehicle built before 1978. Option B. Unless you are riding in a limousine. Option C. If the vehicle is equipped with seat belts. The correct answer is Option C. If the vehicle is equipped with seat belts. Question 6. What is the difference between traffic lights with red arrows and those with solid red lights? Option A. Red arrows are only used to stop traffic which is turning left. Option B. Red arrows are only used for protected turn lanes. Option C. You cannot turn on a red arrow even if you stop first. The correct answer is Option C. You cannot turn on a red arrow even if you stop first. Question 7. Which of these statements is true about road construction zones? Option A. Fines are the same for violations committed in construction zones. Option B. You are responsible for the safety of the road workers. Option C. Slow down only if you think workers are present. The correct answer is Option B. You are responsible for the safety of the road workers. Question 8. If you always insist on letting other drivers go ahead of you at intersections, you are most likely Option A. Causing traffic delays. Option B. Improving traffic flow. Option C. Effectively using defensive driving techniques. The correct answer is Option A. Causing traffic delays. Question 9. This sign means Option A. Detour ahead. Option B. Right turn permitted on green arrow only. Option C. Sharp turn to the right. The correct answer is option C. Sharp turn to the right. Question 10. You should use your horn when. Option A. Another vehicle is in your way. Option B. It may help prevent an accident. Option C. Another driver makes a mistake. The correct answer is option B.